Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to make social media post on mobile. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So for editing the social media post, you will simply go to the Play Store and you will simply download the Canva application. Canva, here is a Canva. So I have downloaded it, so we will open it. You will sign in the your Google account in it and continue. So you will select the account and then continue, and then the your account will be open in on Canva. So here what you need to do is you will simply search social media post, and you will search it. So these are some of the social media posts which you want to edit. You will simply tap on any of the post you like. So here is the social media post. You can edit. Tap on the text you want to edit, and here you can add any of your picture which you want to add. So we will write here sites marketing agency. So these are the changes which you want. Here you can add your contact as well, and here you can add your website which you want to add here on your social media post. And at the top there is a download option. You will simply tap on the download, and the post will be downloaded. You will allow it, and the post will be downloaded on your mobile. So this is the simple process of downloading the social media, or making the social media post on mobile phone. So it is a very simple process. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thank you.